Welcome back to my channel Car Kingdom. Today, we talk about the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, and if you're thinking of skipping this one, don't. Because this SUV is the silent thunderstorm rolling in under the radar and shaking up the suburban pavement with a swagger that's impossible to ignore. The Tucson has been around for a while, sure, but in 2025 it feels like Hyundai finally said, you know what? Let's show them what we really got. And what they really got is a head-turning sculpted machine that looks like a designer's fever dream made real, from the angular jewel-like grille to the blade-sharp DRLs slicing through the air like lightning bolts. Now step inside, and this is where the Tucson tells the Germans and the Japanese to sit down and take notes, because this cabin is modern, calm, and straight out of a sci-fi flick. Smooth flowing panels, soft touch everything, and a digital cockpit that feels more spaceship than SUV. And yes, everything works. Nothing is confusing, and that in itself is a marvel. In today's age of overdone tech under the hood, you've got a choice, and both bring the heat, the bass too. 5-liter, 4-cylinder is smooth enough for the everyday grind, but the real juice comes with the hybrid and plug-in hybrid trims. These things launch like they've got something to prove, and believe me, they do. Fuel economy stays kind, and the ride is soft without feeling lazy. Perfect for soaking up city chaos or rolling over country curves without spilling your coffee. What Hyundai nails better than most is the feel. The Tucson doesn't try to be a sports car, doesn't pretend to be a luxury cruiser. It just is what it is. A damn good SUV with room for your gear, your kids, your dog, and your dreams. Throw in a tech suite that reads your mind before you press a button, safety features that watch your back like an overprotective parent, and a price that doesn't laugh in your face, and you have yourself a top-tier contend.